back. Welcome back. This is Candy Barnes, who's with me now. And she is here because she actually started this. This was her idea, her passion. And she started something called a benefit ride to end hunger. And she shared a tidbit with me that I did not know, which that's not surprising. A lot of things I don't know, but that I was very shocked by, that Arkansas leads the nation in childhood hunger. And what Candy's, I won't call it organization because it's you, but you do have a lot of help. We'll talk about your sponsors.
I have a lot of help,
You just took it upon yourself, and this is the kind of thing that makes these things great, is someone just gets passionate about it. And what you want to do is fill backpacks with food, right?
Yes, there are several churches in Mountain Home. The Methodist Church in Mountain Home, there's a Methodist Church also in Norfolk, and the Church of Christ, North Street Church of Christ, that all fill these backpacks that are given to students in need on Fridays. And they take these backpacks home. And this is, in a lot of cases, this is the food that they have to carry them through the weekend. These kids are, they get the majority of their food from the free breakfast and free lunch programs at the school. And without something to carry them through the weekend, these kids arrive at school Monday morning and they're hungry.
They're hungry. We talked about that earlier, and you said there were 160,000 in Arkansas. And you were showing me some information, and I said, look, I've been teaching for 20 years. You know, I don't need to read this because I taught public school for a long time, and I have seen kids come in, and you know, they run, right? They're not just, they run to the and that's the best meal they get all day.
That's it.
Is the school breakfast and the school lunch, and if they don't get proper rest, if they don't get proper nutrition, it's tough.
These kids can't learn, they can't concentrate, but you've also got to think of the long-term effects that this can, you know, poor childhood nutrition can affect their health for a lifetime.
Yes.
And also brain development. Young children that aren't fed well may not develop to their full potential. So, you know, this childhood nutrition is extremely important.
Okay. Now, you mentioned the backpack programs that already exist. So, is this a supplement to those backpack programs?
This is the funding.
This is the funding to help the churches.
To help the funding. Well, what I've done is I've set up an account at the food bank of North Central Arkansas. And these agencies that fill these backpacks are able to draw from this account. They can go there and they can spend the money on food and use this money to fill those backpacks.
Wonderful. Now, this is, I'm just teasing about it. It is a motorcycle.
Motorcycles.
Right. It's motorcycles, any kind of motorcycle. It says free food and drink provided to all the riders.
First Security Bank is going to set up food.
Barbecue grills at First Security. You've got door prizes. But there is a fee of $10 a rider, which is how, and if you want to donate 20, we'll take 20.
And you don't have to ride.
And, you don't have to ride. Good. Because I pedal. I don't vroom vroom. I tend to pedal. So now you said you're going to meet at your offices. Where would those be located?
We're all going to meet at the Century 21 Lemack East office, and that is by the Walmart Supercenter. You know, TJ Maxx. There's a strip mall. We are on the south end of that strip mall. We're going to utilize that entire parking area.
All right.
Last year we had 130 motorcycles, which was pretty good for a first-time event.
I'm very impressed.
We did get a lot of outside donations. People donated that didn't ride, just sent money to us and to the program. And we raised about $3,500.
Congratulations.
Now, that was not enough to fund the program for the entire year. We were about $1,800 short.
So you need a little over $5,000.
We need about $5,000. We need riders. If people want to donate funds or want to donate something for door prizes or raffle or something like that, that would be great.
Okay, this is July 23rd. And it says the sign-in begins at 8:30 and the ride starts at 10 a.m. Now, where do they ride to?
We're going to have a Mountain Home City Police escort from my office all the way through town. They're going to shut down traffic and block stoplights all the way to the other end of town to the bypass. And then we're going to head south, go down to Norfolk. We're going to have a water stop at the food bank.
Okay.
And then we're going to come up across the dam and back to Mountain Home. It'll be about an hour ride.
About an hour ride. And it says you're going to have a DJ, Peace Productions will be there.
Bob Van Haren, Peace Productions.
And you want to mention your sponsors. And
Yes.
I've got them. Is this Century 21, obviously, First Security, Baxter Bulletin, and
ABATE.
What is ABATE?
ABATE is Arkansas Bikers Aiming for Education.
Okay.
And they're a nonprofit, and they're the organization that I went to in order to get this off the ground. We also are going to have some more entertainment, though.
All right.
We have Wes Simons, who is a police officer from the Chicago area, and he's going to come down and do a agility and braking demonstration that I've heard is thrilling. He does this as a competition.
Yeah.
And he is being sponsored by Riders for Jesus, and so we've got some entertainment, we've got food, provided, hot dogs off the grill. I think
if people just want to
yeah.
come, like while you're doing your Saturday morning grocery shopping, just swing on over by Remax, and I'm sure there'll be a jug, and you can drop some money in the jug.
Century 21.
Oh, excuse me. Did I say Remax?
You did.
Ah, well, I'm sorry. Century 21 out there at the strip mall. And because we're going to have to, we've got one more break, and then we've got Chris coming on. But we want to make sure that you motorcycle people, come out and do this. It's for a wonderful cause. It only costs you $10, but please give more. But anyone who has ever seen a hungry child or has felt those pangs themselves, maybe once upon a time, stop by Century 21 and meet this lovely lady who took it upon herself to help fund this. This was her baby. She started it, and nobody was helping her at first, and a bunch of people have gotten on board, and
Sure
congratulations, Candy. It's very nice to make your acquaintance. I
Thanks,
so
Sandy.
admire people like you. So come out. It's July 23rd, July 23rd at Century 21 Realty, and come out and give your donation, and don't go away, because we're going to hear another inspiring story from another wonderful person, and I'll just keep embarrassing Chris over and over and over. As my girlfriend Chris Combs is going to come in, and she's going to encourage you to get up off the couch at 4:30 in the morning, believe it or not. So you come right back with me.